Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So, the new upcoming Samsung Galaxy A series A75, a 4G render, and a full specification leaks is here with a 8 megapixel telephoto unit in tow. The Samsung Galaxy A72 we have been hearing about since last year will have 4G and 5G variant. We already know what the latter will look like thanks to the render that leaked last December. Now we are looking at the Galaxy A72 4G that has appeared in official render with a full specs leaked by German blog WinFuture. The Galaxy A72 4G it looks similar to its 5G counterpart. It has 6.7-inch Full HD plus 90 Hz Super AMOLED display on the front, with the rear panel home to a quad camera setup allocated in the upper left corner. The camera system was previously rumored to compose 64 megapixel primary, 12 megapixel ultra wide, 5 megapixel depth, and 5 megapixel macro camera unit. But the new leak contradicted that report as it claimed the smartphone will feature 8 megapixel telephoto 2x zoom and a 2 megapixel macro camera while retaining the 64 megapixel and 12 megapixel ultra-wide cameras. The Galaxy A72 4G will come with a 32 megapixel selfie shooter and a future in-display fingerprint reader for biometric authentication. Under the hood, it will have a Snapdragon 720G SoC with a Geekbench revealed will be paired with 8 gigs of RAM, but the source says there will be a 6 gigs of RAM model as well. The smartphone will boot Android 11 and have two storage options, 128 256 gigabytes, but it will also have a micro SD slot for more storage. The Galaxy A72 4G will have IP67 rated, and if viewing the entire package will 5000 mAh battery charger through the USB-C port. The source does not tell us how fast charger of the Galaxy A72 4G will charge, but FCC revealed it will ship with 25-volt adapter. The leaked render confirmed that the Galaxy A72 4G will come in least for color, and the publication says its price will start from €449 in Europe. This is a bit in line with the German portal Idolus listing, which had the 128 model for price €449 and 256 gigabytes variant price is €509. Whether or not this information is correct is something we'll find out soon. This is all about leaks and rumors, seeing how Galaxy A72 4G official images have already surfaced. But let's see in upcoming days. Make sure to like this video and let me know in the comment section, are you waiting for this new smartphone from Galaxy? I'll see you next video. Peace out and bye.